Rank tells you the rank of a particular number. So let's say there is a series of numbers which are not in ascending order. You want to find out as per ascending order what should be its position or order or rank. So for example, you want to find out that what is the rank of 87.5 in this all prices. So you can use rank. So equals to rank. What do we have to find out? 87.5. Where do we have to find out? In this range. And one for ascending order. So what it will do is it will arrange these numbers in ascending order and will find out what is the rank for 87.5. So for example, if I have a price, I want to check whether it appears in 25th quartile, 50th quartile, below median, upper higher median. How can I check it? I can simply use rank. I know the total number of values. Total values are 6. So I know there are total of 6. 87.5 appears on second position, which means it appears on 33%. So it appears in second quartile, higher than 25%, lower than median. So it is this value is lower than median. It is somewhere lesser than median and higher than 25th quartile. So for any value, I can find out where does this value actually, which quartile does it fall in.